حبيبي وحبيبتي. صباح الخير، صباح النور، صباح الفل، صباح الورد. كيف حالك؟ الحمد لله خير. May you under Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala care and protection. Amin amin ya rabbal alamin. Ahlan ya Jamil wa Jamila habibi wa habibti. Are you ready to start our lesson today? Nah, hana waktu tadris. Yalla bina nabda'un nashat. Naam habibi wa habibti, before we start, let's we say our yell. Hikmatul Fadilah, let's do. Hanis is my life, A'is bil ahlak. Ya Ghaffar, ampunanmu adalah harapan untuk hamba dan kedua orang tua. Amin.
أيام الآن يوم الاثنين. التاريخ الآن 1 يا فبراير 2021. Our indicator of lesson are be able to identify the unit of living things that make ecosystem and be able to mention the kinds of component ecosystem. Our scientific word is digestive system, digestive system, digestive system, digestive system, digestive system, sistem pencernaan. Habibi wa habibti, please open your book page 228 للغاية 236. Habibi wa habibti, our topic for today is ecosystem. Habibi wa habibti, what is the meaning of ecosystem? Ecosystem is the relationship influence each other between living things and their environment forms a system called an ecosystem. Imagine Habibi wa habibti, if on earth without plants, of course, humans, plants, and animals would starve, even die. Also imagine if there were only male animals on this earth. Of course, the number of animals on this earth would decrease. This is because they cannot reproduction. So, all living things need and influence each other. Al-awwal, we discuss the units of living things that make up the ecosystem. In an ecosystem, there are also units of living things that include individuals, populations, and communities. Number 1, individual. The term individual comes from Latin in, it's mean not, and dividus, it's mean dividing. So, the individual is an independent living thing that is free or has no relationship with another. Individuals are also called single living units. Example, a fish, a turtle, and a tree. Number is 9, population. The populations come from Latin populus. It means all living things who live in one place. In an ecosystem, populations mean a group of living things that have the same species and live in a certain area. For example, a group of fish in a pond and a group of cacti in the desert. Number 3, community. Community are various types of living things that exist in the same area. For examples, sea community and desert community. Next, we are going to components of ecosystem. Component of ecosystem divided to biotic component and abiotic component. Biotic component is components that live in an ecosystem, and abiotic component are components that do not live in an ecosystem. Biotic components: human, animals, and plants, including biotic components found in an ecosystem. Biotic components are divided into 3 groups. There are producent, consumer, and decomposer. All the producent can produce their own food, so they are called autotroph. As producent, green plants produce food through photosynthesis. Food is used by plants themselves and other living things. Thus, producents are the main source of energy for other organisms. It is consumer. All consumers cannot make their own food in their bodies, so they are called heterotroph. They get organic substance that have been formed by the producent or from other consumers who become their prey. Based on the type of food, consumers are classified as herbivores, eat plants, for example, goats, buffaloes, rabbits, and cows. Carnivores eat meat, example, tigers, eagles, and wolves. Omnivores eat plants and meat, example, chicken, ducks, and various animals. Next, decomposer. This group plays an important role in the ecosystem. If this group didn't exist, we would have seen a mountain of garbage and living things that dry remain intact forever. Decomposer act as decompose, which break down organic substance into organic substance that compose them. Decomposers are organisms that break down organic material derived from dead organisms, for example, bacteria, fungi, or wood lice. Just now, abiotic components are components that don't live in ecosystem. The parts of the abiotic components are soil or land, water, air, sunlight, temperature, and climate. Next, Habibi wa Habibti, types of ecosystem. Ecosystem can be divided into natural ecosystem, artificial ecosystem, and succession ecosystem. Natural ecosystem form naturally without human intervention, for example, desert ecosystems and tropical rainforest ecosystem. Artificial ecosystem deliberately created by humans, for example, ponds, reservoirs, rice fields, and gardens. Ecosystem succession, an ecosystem that is the result of environment successions that was previously preceded by damage.
Tayyib, Habibi wa Habibti, that's all our material for today. Next time we will meet anymore with another topic. Habibi wa Habibti, la tansa, don't forget, do your home project well, keep spirit, keep your healthy. Ila liqa, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam.